What's up, Josh? Subscribe to JPLP Productions if you get a chance. It's your boy Willie D out here. We're doing big things in Dubai. And yeah, keep it up, fam. Jersey. What's up, Jersey?
What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. For those who are new here, my name is Josh. Welcome to JPL Productions. For those who are returning, welcome back. I have something different in store for you guys today. As you can see, I'm driving right now. I'm currently stuck in traffic, which really sucks. I'm gonna go pick up my wife. She's actually at the mall picking up some makeup because, you know, YouTube is life, right? No, I'm just kidding. But we're gonna do something different today. We're actually gonna be doing this thing called the makeup challenge, where she's actually gonna be putting makeup on me. So she's turning me basically into Paige. For those who don't know, yes, my middle name is Paige. My full name is Joshua Page Lopez. Ha 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 ha. I know, get your laughs out now, whatever. But yeah, that's my middle name. I'm gonna go pick her up right now, and we're gonna see what goes on. I think she has everything because I don't know what to buy, so I left her in charge of that. Yeah, we'll cut to the next scene when she's in the car and we'll go from there. So right now, here I am at Newport Mall. She's right here. She's about to get into the car. She's gonna show you all the makeup. Hold on. Hi, babe.
Hi.
You don't know how excited she is to do this to me. She's been dying and bugging me to literally paint my face.
Paint, it's not painting.
So here, I'll give you to her. She's gonna show you exactly what she got.
No, not yet. I actually got like one thing from Sephora, but they gave me this like big bag. Okay, maybe two things. I got two things from Sephora.
Wait, so we're gonna Target or no?
Yes, because I want drugstore makeup. So, I actually got you this. And this is so that he can remove the makeup afterwards.
You hear that beeping sound? That's because she didn't put her seatbelt on. Oh, did you even, like, what, like, exactly is your vision for my face? Wait, put the seatbelt on!
We're almost at Target.
No, we're not. Safety first, kids. Safety first.
There.
Alright, so we're going inside Target now. Target! She's gonna be getting more makeup, cause makeup. So literally right now we're inside Target. She's looking for makeup. I really don't know. Oh, it's broken. What the heck? I got the broken one. So I guess you guys should put your kids here, cause that's what's gonna happen. So she's saying all these terminologies of makeup that I have no idea. Actually, yeah, I have no idea what they mean. Like pump. What is pump? The reason why I'm talking quiet is I actually don't know if we're allowed to film in here. But so it says brow shake.
Brow this way. It's a brow.
She low-key wants to just has it for herself. To be honest.
I don't know if the color is right though.
You heard about the 11th commandment? The thou shalt not paint their nails, because it is sinful colors. No, okay, alright. She obviously doesn't think I'm funny. The penguins are trapped inside. We must free the penguins.
One eternity later.
Alright, well, we're home now, and she is going to do the makeup challenge on me. She is going to make me become Paige. Yeah, so she's going to get all her stuff. You can't see, it's kind of out of the frame. So she literally has a whole bunch of makeup stuff there, and she's gonna do it on me now. Ready? Here we go. Alright.
So, do you want an everyday look or like a date night look?
I don't know, you choose.
Okay, I don't know, I'll just prep your face first. So I'm using this toothpaste. It's a setting spray, but at the same time you can use it as like a primer. So I always use it like for every day.
No idea what that means.
It smells really good though. It smells like coconut.
That's not breast spray?
No. Stop! And then I'll take this poreless face primer.
Wait, are you gonna do the thing like where you make me like look like a Cherokee?
A Cherokee.
The one with like the lines everywhere.
It's called contour. It's smooth, right? It's really smooth. It
It's
just
so weird.
smells bad.
I could say something weird. I don't know what it is.
Ew, what are you taking? Ew, don't lick anything.
But yeah, this is like one of the many challenges that we're actually gonna be doing. If you have any suggestions on what we could do next, or have any ideas and want to see us do it, you know, comment something down below and let us know what you guys want us to do. She's showing.
I don't know if it's gonna focus though, but this is the Prep and Prime MAC. This is dark. This is dark.
Oh gosh. It's so cold. No, it smells like Play-Doh, like Play-Doh. There you go. You girls put this on all the time. Next, I'm doing your makeup.
No.
Why are you getting my ear?
Well, your ears should be the same color as your face.
You're gonna make it so
White
much more
and
difficult
red.
for me to take off.
And then I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Eraser Dark Circles. It's literally my favorite thing. It's this one.
Oh yeah, also, PSA, if you guys hear any water dripping sounds, someone's peeing in the background. Just kidding, no, it's actually just our fish tanks. What are you doing?
Wait a minute.
I don't know what it looks like.
And then with the same blender, I just use it and then blend the concealer all over. Babe, why are you holding your eyes?
I don't know.
Why? I said look up. No. Just your eyes.
I don't know what. I don't do makeup, so. You said look up, I'm looking up. So this is why girls take forever to put makeup on, because they laugh at themselves looking up.
No. Okay.
Gosh, my eyes are like watery.
Then I'm gonna use the Prep and Prime. This is for the eyeshadow.
Am I supposed to look up?
No. I said close your eyes. Why would you look up?
I think it's the youth group chat. What? No! No! You're not plugging anything! No! Stop! You're not plugging anything!
Fine.
My eyes are watering. I don't want to mess up my makeup. So warm and weird feeling. The only thing I'm thinking about right now is like, how long is this gonna take me to take this off?
Using the Naked 3 palette.
Not 2, 3. I don't get it. It's like the 5th layer you put on my eye. What is this?
It's actually not, because it's a Naked palette. It doesn't show that much, so it's like more on like neutral tone.
Oh, that's why it's called Naked. Ow! Not my eye.
Oops, sorry. Cause why is your eyes like that? Like, relax.
I was born with these. What are you talking about?
Relax. No.
You know you're wasting eyelids. So these eyelashes are from someone's body. We borrowed it, so we need to keep it in good condition so that way we can return it to the person.
Okay, should I set it?
What do you mean set it? I thought it was already set. Ah! I feel like my eyelash is falling off. It's falling off.
Cause!
I can see it falling off.
Cause you're blinking like 100.
Time for the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. no different. It's just that I have eyelashes and eyeliner on. My skin looks nothing different. It looks like the same tone. I'm not taking it off. It hurts my eye.
That's why I got this. Seriously, it's the best. It's a take the day off makeup remover.
I'm gonna take my face off right now. So you're gonna switch to the selfie cam. If for you guys who can't see it, this is how I look like right now.
I want fabulous, that is my simple request. All things fabulous, bigger and better.
Ew! Okay.
So you feel happy now that you actually did this? Gosh.
Look down.
So now, time to remove it. We're gonna go to the bathroom and remove this all off my face. Gosh, I look redonkulous.
2,000 years later.
So, clean up my face. I feel so much better without makeup on, obviously, because I'm a guy.
I forgot to put lipstick on.
I put chapstick. Hold up. Is it chapstick or lip balm?
Lip balm.
Comment below what you guys think it is.
Lip balm.
Anyway, so if you guys like that, you know, hit the like button. You know, we really appreciate it. You know, we like making content, basically distracting you guys for a couple of minutes in your lives. But if you haven't done so yet and you would like to, you know, follow us on our journey, hit the subscribe button too and follow us with what we do. We travel, we do a lot of challenges. I haven't uploaded a cover yet, but I'm actually recording covers right now. So that's gonna go up soon. So again, like this video if you you guys really enjoyed it, and then also hit the subscribe button while you guys are there. So we're gonna sign off now because we're really hungry. We're about to eat this food right here. That food. Yeah, actually, see, our TV is on the floor because stuff is being worked on right now. It's we're making. I'm not gonna say what it is because I want it to be a surprise. It's gonna look really nice. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for it. She has to be excited. She has no choice. But anyways, guys, we'll see you guys next time, and we hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys soon. Take care.